This video will show you how to review instructor feedback and download the red line from your instructor. From my class homepage, I'm going to go into the left toolbar and click on Tools, and I'm going to click on My Grades, and here you can see my graded project. So there's two ways to do this. I can click on this chat bubble, and here's the feedback from my instructor and a link to download my graded red line. And the other place is to click on Submit Flange Bearing, and it brings us to the page that looks similar to where we got our confirmation number of our submission. So here at the top it says I've submitted the flangebearing.dwf and the comment that I left my instructor, and here is the feedback from my instructor, as well as a link to download my red line. So as you noticed, I submitted flangebearing.dwf, and my instructor has renamed the file and called it Rosanna Final flangebearing.dwf. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. Hopefully, I'm going to click there and it's going to open up in Design Review. Hopefully you've already downloaded Design Review. If you have not, you can find instructions on how to do that on our department website. And here you can see my graded drawing, and this is how you review your instructor feedback and download your red line.